I'm Leo Page at MarineMax at Bahia in beautiful historic downtown Pensacola, Florida. And today I'm going to show you aboard our all-new Sea Ray 260 Sundancer. To start with, this vessel is equipped with an oversized rear swim platform, hot and cold shower on the transom, easy boarding thanks to the open companionway. As we come into the cockpit of the boat, to the starboard you'll see the helm area with chrome bezel gauges, Rockford Fosgate audio system, Simrad VHF radio, and clearly labeled rocker switches. To the port we have a large sun lounger. As we look backwards in the cockpit, you'll see a wraparound couch with a rear rumble seat that lays down into a sun pad. Cockpit table. As we come down below, the first thing you'll notice forward is the large double sleeper / dinette. The galley features solid surface countertops, a refrigerator, single eye stove, as well as a microwave. Hardwood finishes throughout the boat, as well as LED lighting, smart LED television, large rear bunk sleeping area to the stern, and a large wet bath with easy clean surfaces, vacuum flush head, porthole, and large mirrors. Come by MarineMax at Bahia in Pensacola, Florida, and ask for Leo Page today to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned Sea Ray boats.